In this video, I'll present my solution for the Codewars Kata counting sheep. The challenge says, consider an array list of sheep where some sheep may be missing from their place. We need a function that counts the number of sheep present in the array. True means present. For example, true, true, and so on. The correct answer would be 17. Hint, don't forget to check for bad values like null, undefined. Try again, because I have done this one already, but we're going to try it again. So my first attempt when I started on this one was just to say, why is it complaining? That's better. Return sum of sheep, because I was thinking that, okay, it'll take true as a 1 and false as a 0, and it should be fine, right? So test, and it does do fine, but then I attempt, and it says unsupported operand types for int and none type. Turns out the problem is that, and I can show this by printing, just do some debug printing. And if we look down here, we have a bunch of true, but then we have some none. None is a special type in Python, and while Python knows that true is 1 and false is 0, it apparently doesn't know what to do with none in an adding state. So I'm going to take a different approach here. I'm going to say that sheep counter equals 0, and say for a sheep in sheep, have to say a sheep because it has to be a different name. If a sheep will be explicit here equal true, sheep counter plus equals 1, return sheep counter. Let's test that. Test passed. Attempt. Okay, I'm going to slow down a little bit and explain these steps. We have a variable called sheep counter which starts as 0, and later on we're going to add 1 to that value if certain conditions fit. We write a for loop for a sheep in sheep, and then have an if conditional. If that current sheep is equal to true, then the sheep counter goes up by 1, and in the end we return the sheep counter. So very good. I'm going to submit that. But I'm also going to train again. And let's say I really wanted to do this some business. I have to say something along the lines of, sh is short for one sheep. Sh for sh in sheep if sh. Will that work? This is one that I haven't tried yet. Will it work this way? Okay. So this is going along, and only if sheep is true does sheep get added to this list, which then becomes a sum comprehension. And I can make this a little clearer by writing a list there. Let's check that that still runs. Yeah. It's like we're constructing this list as a list comprehension, and then we take the sum of that. We'll do the attempt just to be sure and submit one more time. Okay. There's your solutions. Kind of gave you a bonus solution there. Wasn't necessarily expecting that, but I hope you liked it. And thanks for watching.